Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take you work and life class, and this is our first class, and our today's topic is chapter 1 lesson 1 reading done. So let's start our class. Students, look at the board. This is chapter 1 and the chapter's name is Pleasure at Work. Pleasure at work. Many of us get pleasure in doing work. It is necessary to be strong in creative thoughts for success in works. Generally, applying physical and intellectual labor, we have to complete the work. Self-respect is increased through the works. Now, we shall try to gain the idea of self-respect, self-confidence, creativity, physical and intellectual labor. Okay, that means in this chapter we will learn self-respect, self-confidence, creativity, physical and intellectual labor. Okay, that means we have to do different types of works, but we must get pleasure from that works. Okay. Now this is lesson 1, concept of self-respect. Okay, here there are 3 situations. From there we can understand that what is called self-respect. What is self-respect? You may hear the conversation around you. Mr. Karim is a person of self-respect. What does the word self-respect actually mean? By breaking down the word, we will find self. Self means own and respect means honor. Then does the word self-respect mean respect towards own? Let us try to realize from the following events. Okay, that means there are 3 events or 3 situations that explain what is self-respect. Situation 1. Neetu is a college-going student. Everyone likes her for her good behavior. She helps her mother in household work. Her mother says, "You need not help me. I will do it by myself." Neetu replies, "You all inspire and love me so much. Help me in my studies. I must do something for you. I know there is no shame in doing work, rather it increases our respect." Mother becomes very happy at Neetu's sense of self-respect. She says, "We really need such self-respected girl." Okay, that means Neetu here says that she wants to help her mother in the household works. Okay. And she also says that there is no shame in doing work, rather it increases our respect. Now situation 2. Aziz is a talented student. In his early childhood, he lost his left leg in an accident. Now he moves using crutch. He always stands first in his school examinations. He got A+ in the primary completion examination. When he was admitted into a new school, everyone was charmed at his good behavior. His result was very good. One day during tiffin break, all the students in the class asked him, "Do you feel sorry for your lost leg? How are you doing so well in the examination?" Aziz replied to them, "So what? I work very hard as much as I can. In my house, everyone loves me very much and helps me in those work which I can't. At first, I felt sad, but now I feel like everyone." Okay. So here, that means situation number 2. We say that Aziz is a talented boy and he is really a good boy whose behavior is very good. Everybody loves him. and he actually lost his left leg in an accident in the early childhood, but he doesn't feel sorry for that. Now situation number 3. Taposh reads in a secondary school. He never dishonors anyone nor uses any abusive word. He never quarrels with others, even if there is a difference in opinion. He believes that others may have different kinds of thoughts. One day his classmate Sagar says that he likes Anis sir's teaching method very much. But Onyx says that Anis sir speaks very fast and that is why he finds it difficult to understand his lecture. When they are about to quarrel on these matters, Taposh says that each of you have expressed your own opinion and you have also the right of it. Instead of quarreling, you can respect each other's opinion, isn't it? From a book, I have come to know that those who respect themselves also respect others. Okay, so this is situation number 3. What can we learn from the above mentioned situation? We can learn from the above situation a self-respected man performs his or her own duty properly, never feels shy to do any legal work. A self-respected man respects his or her own capacity and capability, though he or she has physical and intellectual limitation. Shows respect to others' opinion. Some people think self-respect is respect for one's own self and also to be aware of his self-identity as a human being. Again, some other think self-respect means being conscious about one's own surroundings and own passions and behave accordingly. Feeling shy to do any unfair work, behaving humanly with others and thinking positively and something innovative, etc. carry the identity of self-respect. Expression of good taste which is acceptable to all is also the sign of self-respect. So here we can learn that what is self-respect. And students, just look here. Your first HW, that means HW1 will be make 5 MCQ. That means you have to make 5 MCQ from this lesson 1. Okay, make 5 MCQ from lesson 1. From lesson 1, chapter 1, lesson 1. From this chapter, this lesson, you have to make 5 MCQ. Okay students, stay safe, stay well, take care, Allah Hafiz.